In some programming languages like C++ and Python, a class can have multiple parents. This is what we call multiple inheritance. Designers of Java have decided not to implement this feature because it brings a number of complexities. Let's say C inherits from A and B, and both these classes define a method with the same signature, but with different implementations. Now, which implementation should C inherit? It's ambiguous. We don't know. As another example, what if both A and B declare a field called name? Should C inherit only one or two copies of the same field? Again, this is another ambiguity problem. An extended version of this diagram is what we call the diamond problem. So here B and C inherit from A, and D inherits from both B and C. So we have a diamond. Now, let's say A has a method like toString, and we have overridden this in both B and C. Each implementation is different for obvious reasons. Which implementation of the toString method should D inherit? We don't know. Now here's the thing. In Java, as you know, the object class is the root of all classes. So every class that exists in Java, directly or indirectly, inherits from the object class. So here, A is essentially the object class in Java. B and C could be two independent classes like student and instructor. Now, if you have a user who can be both a student and an instructor, which toString method should it inherit? As you can see, because the object class is the base class for all classes in Java, we would naturally face the diamond problem if Java supported multiple inheritance. That's why the creators of Java decided not to support this feature for the complexities it brings. They wanted Java to be simple and robust. And to be honest with you, this feature is not something that you would need that often. It's rarely used. I personally have never felt the need for multiple inheritance. So just be aware of it, the problems it brings, and the fact that Java doesn't support it.